I just got in my Sprigs Life monthly box for this pregnancy. This is the 28 to 31 week box, so I'm currently 28 weeks pregnant. It came just in time, but it starts with this card that says I am a Sprigs mom. It gives some information about them on the back, plastic or paper actually. Got the magnesium complex. This has to be my favorite stuff out of this bunch. I absolutely love it. I love everything in this box, but this here has been so life-changing for me. I absolutely love the Mama Bear magnesium. Gotta get rid of some of the plastic here. Bubble wrap's always difficult to find. Where's the tape? Where is the tape? But no, I'm glad that they put it in. Got it. But then we've got my Mama Bear Prenatal vitamin, as well as the Mama Bear Pregnancy Tea. I absolutely love this stuff. Here we go. I absolutely love this tea here. Oh, this is new. It says empowered on it. That's super cute. And then that's everything for this month. I'm excited to just continue to use these. I've been using all these products for, I want to say, I started using Sprigs Life around the end of my first trimester, and I have been loving them ever since. So I can't wait to continue to use these, take these. These have honestly been so good during this pregnancy.